So here I have the Metabo HPT. This is a finish nailer, angled finish nailer. So you can see it's angled right there. Putting up some some hardy board right here under the crawl space. Very easy to install nails. So you got these angled nails, and you can see what the length is. I can't remember the length. I think it goes up to 2.5 inch, but very easy to load as well. So you just slide that in there and pull this back until it gets behind it like that, and release, and it's ready to go. But it's got a single shot nail, or you can switch this over. It's also got an air release button right here. Okay, but very nice finish nailer. Really works great. You got some adjustments here for your spring as well. And let's put some in some of these hardy boards right here. So very easy, 1 inch down. Piece of cake. Okay, so we got the next board up. So this is what I'm doing right here. Hardy board underneath the deck here in between these pillars, and using this nail gun is really easy. The Metabo HPT has done a great job. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.